Tired of constantly misplacing your keys, wallet, or backpack? The Apple AirTag is here to change your life. With its incredible precision finding, powered by ultra-wideband technology, you can locate misplaced items down to the exact foot, even in a cluttered room. No more frantic searching. Setting up your new AirTag is ridiculously simple. Just one tap near your iPhone, and it's paired and ready to go in seconds. Worried about splashes or dust? Don't be. This little tracker is IP67 water and dust resistant, so it can handle everyday adventures without a hitch. What makes the AirTag truly special, unlike generic Bluetooth trackers, is its leverage of Apple's vast Find My network, meaning billions of Apple devices anonymously help locate your item even if it's far away. For anyone searching for the best Bluetooth tracker or a reliable gadget to keep track of their essentials, the AirTag truly stands out. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your valuable items are always within reach or easily trackable if lost. If you're ready to stop the stress of lost items, check out the Apple AirTag 4-pack on Amazon using the link in our description below. It's not just a tracker, it's an extension of your iPhone ecosystem, providing seamless integration and unparalleled accuracy for finding what matters most. Overall, for its ease of use, robust features, and Apple's reliable ecosystem, the AirTag is without a doubt our top recommendation for the best smart tracker of 2025.